In the manure, as you can see, we've got a red robin hedge, and the owners had to have the part of the hedge taken out to have some work done on the foss, so I'm replanting it. So briefly what it is, dug a trench all the way along, dropping plants in, well, drill a trench, put the compost in, layer of compost underneath, and I'm spacing them out the same as the other trees are spaced, so I've marked it on the back of the spade to make it easier. Dropping them in, you want to try and get the plants in so that they're level with the ground, not too deep, because that's what you're used to. And then afterwards I've got another bag of compost I'm going to run in between, and then I'm going to bank up the earth I've dug out in front of it, give it a bit of protection, and I'll come back to you in a bit. So back on the hedge, and I've filled the trough or the trench in between with the second bag of compost, and I've gone over the top with the spoils of stuff that I've dug out. I've just given them a good water in. Normally I'd soak them prior to planting a day before or something like that, but 20 plants is a lot of space to soak. So I'll come back every couple of days and water them in, especially while it's warm.